Annapurna Region Trekking. Booking open for 2025-26. The Annapurna region is one of Nepal's most popular trekking destinations, offering breathtaking landscapes, diverse culture, and stunning Himalayan views. Himalayan Adventure International Treks welcomes you to join our 2025-26 fixed departures and tailor-made trekking experiences. Group join Annapurna Sanctuary Trek. Join our fixed departure treks for the Annapurna Sanctuary. The group trek cost starts at $950 per person, covering permits, accommodation, meals, transportation, and an experienced guide. Solo and couple trek costs. Solo trek, from $1,200, includes guide and logistics. Couple trek, from $2,100 for two trekkers. Permit and transportation costs. Annapurna Conservation Area Permit, ACAP, $30 per person. TIMS card, $20 per person. Transport, Kathmandu to Pokhara and trek start point, $20 to $150. Bus, jeep, flight options. Hiring a guide, $25 to $30 per day. Porter, $20 to $25 per day. Porter cum guide, $22 to $28 per day. Female guide. Available upon request, from $35 per day. Food, accommodation and drinking water costs. Lodges and tea houses, $5 to $20 per night. Meals, $5 to $10 per meal. Drinking water, $1 to $3 per liter. Boiled, bottled. Best time for Annapurna trekking: spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November, offer the best weather and visibility.